Okay, so I'm going to talk about how to troubleshoot your light sensor circuit. First of all, you're going to need a multimeter for this. If you notice here, I actually have it connected negative to negative end, positive to positive on my light dependent resistor. This is my photoresistor. So if I run the simulation, I can see that my um, my resistor is totally bright. It's getting plenty of light. And as I decrease the light, so this is like me passing my hand over the resistor, the resistance is going up higher and higher and higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. All right, so goes as high as maybe 14 kilo ohms. All right, so I can see that. What I want to do is I need to make sure that the voltage at this pin, remember, is dropping below 3 volts. Right? It's 1/3 of my input voltage. In this case, it's a 9-volt battery. All right, so I'm going to reposition these, and I'm going to put the negative here on the negative strip, and then I'm going to want to test the voltage at this pin. Now, like we mentioned, in order to make that happen, this is a voltage divider. So we've got a resistor here, and in the middle, there's an input voltage. All right, so if I turn this on, and I would read my voltage. Okay, and I'll make sure it's turned up all the way. Okay, so right now, this resistor is way, way, way less resistance than this resistor. Okay, the result of that is that my input voltage is almost all of the source voltage. And if you notice, as I increase the resistance here, that means I'm shading it in, I'm covering it with my hand. As I increase it, the voltage is dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping until it gets to below 3 volts and my LED lights up. Okay, if yours does not work, what's probably happening is you need to make sure that this resistor, this photoresistor, is actually going at least 3 times bigger than this resistor. If that's not the case, what you need to do is you need to lower the resistance here. So I can do that on here by just changing the number. You guys would have to get a new resistor. So instead of 47k ohms, this might be a 20k ohm. All right, and then if I start going again, I'll notice that it's a little bit easier even to get down below the necessary voltage. Okay, so you'll have to just have one person hold the probes, one here, the positive here, the negative here, and one person cover the photoresistor. If the light isn't turning on, you want to check and see, is this voltage actually dropping below 3 volts? If it's not, you probably need to change this resistor and make it weaker. All right, so do your best.